Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, this is next part of our 10 storied building design course in Etabs. In Etabs, we have designed beam, column, shear wall, and we checked some serviceability, torsional irregularity check, base shear check, story drift check. I have already shown in previous tutorials, so I will provide those links below this tutorial. Now we will go to column layout plan and detailing. First we have to prepare column layout plan with column details, then using that column layout plan we will provide our foundation center. So now we will go for here, go to grade beam, view like this. Now we will take the section from our Etabs design. Corner we are having 12 by 15, and we have changed our column orientation also, so we will see that one. Corner this okay, this direction okay. Now we will check the dimension. This one 18, 12 by 18. Now we will make it 15. 3 inch we will go down, 3 enter. Okay, we will name it C1. We will go from small section to large section like C1 12 15, 12 18 C2, 12 20 or 21 C3, like this. This one C1 copy here, here and here. Three inch, 3. So now it is 15 inch. This side also. This already 15. Now we will provide dimension. This side we will match this one. I think this is same this one. This side we will provide dimension like this, so that we can see clearly in the drawing during execution in construction site. This side, as this is this side, so I'll provide this side and this side. So this is our column dimension as per our grid. In construction site they will provide grid first. According to grid they will adjust or they will locate the column position. This C1 here. Now come this two side column 12 by 21, 12 by 21. Okay, C2, C2, C2. This all will be C2. Okay. Now here I think it is 18 inch, so we will increase by 3 inch. And this will be rotated because in our design we have rotated like this. So in this way we have finished our column layout plan. Now here we will go for column reinforcement. So from here we will remove all this. We will bring C1, C2 and C3. Here C1, C2, here C3. For below grade beam or up to grade beam, clear cover will be 2.5 inch to protect the column river from water, groundwater, Okay, so this 12 by 15 inch column below grade beam, the clear cover will be 2.5 inch. So both direction 2 inch will be increased. So dimension will be 14 by 17. So here from foundation to grade beam. Now offset O inter 1 inter like this, like this, like this. So this column we will move it here. Now here we can provide this dimension and we will copy this one, we will mesh this one. In this direction like this. If the space is less, we can stress like this. Stress so that we can place all detailed text also inside the schedule. Like this. Okay, now here we can take offset 2.5 inch, 2.5 inch, and here offset will come 1.5. O enter 1.5. 1.5. Okay. Now from here we will take this layer for outside concrete surface, and still we will keep it as red color. We can select this one, this annotate this 1-2 inch, so we will make it this one current dimension style. Then we will provide dimension like this. Press enter button, same way. Press this one. Like this. Now we will place our tie bar, this bend 135-degree bend we can show like this. Okay. Now we will check our river for C1. Then we can copy some river shape, this one. Like this. Now we will calculate the river number using this Excel sheet and this Etabs result. Here we can see for corner columns 2.6, 2.13, 5.12 and 5.37 is current. So we will take maximum river area 5.37. It is 6, 4.8, 8, 5.84. So here we will provide, this shape looks bigger, so we will make smaller. This is 25 milli, it looks like. This is okay. Three, 3, 6. Here we have 12 number. So here 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here we have 6, 6, 12, 12, 20. For 20 meter diameter we can provide solid fill like this. So this one I'll take down. From here we'll take this one. Twelve, 20, and shear reinforcement we will check. Up to grade beam we are providing this 4 inch all through the column. Above grade beam 4 inch, 8 inch, 4 inch, but we need to check how much spacing required for 10 milli tie bar. This is for above ground level. Now this one we can copy here. Like this. For 12 by 15 column we will continue all through the roof, fourth floor to roof, so we will keep same. Now we will check our required shear reinforcement. From here we can check in Etabs shear reinforcing. Here we can see for corner column 0.12. In most of the cases shear reinforcement as per design coming very less. We have to follow the ACI code for required minimum shear reinforcement. Here we can provide the width of column B FY 60 KSI, although it is not required for calculating, just for data. Depth of column 15 inch, provided tie river die in column 10 milli, smallest river die in column 16. Here we have provided 16, 20 milli, so we provide 20. Required shear reinforcement from Etabs we have got one 0.12 here. Now used area of shear reinforcement, if we provide 2 leg here, we know that 10 millimeter river area is 0.11 square inch, so 2 leg it is coming 0.22 square inch. So here we are providing 4 leg, you can see 1 2 3 4 leg. So if we put here 4 leg, then we have to multiply by 4 into 0.11, here it will be 0.44. Spacing of shear reinforcement as per required shear reinforcement, it is coming 44 inch center to center, but as per ACI provision for seismic design or detailing, maximum spacing, here you can see 8 into smallest longitudinal bar dia, 8 into dB, 24 into dB tie bar dia, half of the smallest member dimension, that means width of column, and 300 millimeter, that means 12 inch. So here maximum spacing, this is 8 into smallest bar dia 20 divided by 25 to make it or convert it into inch. So 6.4 inch. And here second condition, 24 into tie bar 24 into tie bar divided by 25, 9.6, and half of the smallest member dimension, so 0.5 into 12, it is coming 6. And last one is minimum 300 millimeter, that means 12 inch. So selected spacing for web reinforcement S naught, this will be S naught. From here, from this, here you can check this one also. Minimum, here among this data it will choose minimum this one, so minimum it is coming 6 inch. This one choose, we will choose 4 inch. Minimum 6 inch we have to provide, so less we are providing less than 6, so it's okay, we cannot provide more than 6 inch. So S naught is 4 inch. At middle of column, minimum required 2 into S naught, so it is coming 8 inch, we will provide 7 inch. So here up to grade beam we will continue with 4 inch. Above grade beam we will provide at the support position 4 inch, at middle 7 inch, and upper support position 4 inch. That means here you can see up to this L0 distance. L0 distance also here it is showing. Among these three condition we have to provide this length. Up to this length we will provide S0 spacing. Above this, in middle, we will provide minimum 2 S0 spacing. L by 6, if the clear height of column coming, for example 12 feet, then L by 6 minimum this L0 will be 2 feet as per first condition. Maximum cross sectional dimension, that means 15 inch minimum L0, and 500, that means 20 inch. So here among these three conditions we are getting 2 feet, that means 24 inch the maximum, so we will provide 24 inch L0. So from here to here 24 inch we will provide spacing S0 4 inch. Above this we will provide spacing 7 inch as per our schedule, 7 inch. Okay, now this C1 column detailing finished. Now come to C2. Here we will check our longitudinal river. Five 5.89, 7.52, 7.34. So 7.52 is maximum. We will take 7.52. So here we will choose 16 into 20. So it is coming 7.79 square inch. So if we provide 20 millimeter dia river, it will satisfy our design requirement 7.52. So now here we will copy this one, like this. We need more 2 to 4 this. this. We can check our minimum spacing between the longitudinal bar from this Excel sheet. Here we can say minimum clear spacing between parallel bars in layer shall be equal to 1.5 d bar diameter distance. That means d means diameter of bar but not less than 35 millimeter. Direction of length, this one 1 feet, that means 15 inch. We have provided 5 number of 20 millimeter dia bar, 20 millimeter dia bar, number of bar 5. Here you can see 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, for this one, here you can see this 21 inch. Here we have provided 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here we will provide 21. Here we will provide 7. So it is also okay. Minimum spacing should be provided for coarse aggregate flow during concreting. Otherwise, if we provide very less spacing like this, there will be there inside this column steel or longitudinal steel, there will be no coarse aggregate, and that will cause crack in column. Okay, now this is our yes. Now this one we can copy here like this. Same way we will provide this one. (16) 20 milli dia bar, like this. Now above fourth floor to roof, we will reduce our column section. Go to it will be 12 by 18. It is coming 2.45 2.52. So maximum is 2.52 for 12 by 18 inch. Here we will reduce our column dimension in 3 inch. This is 18. So here it will come 12 20. We will check our 12 20. It is coming 5.84. Or in our design it is 2.52 maximum required, or 2.9 2.88, that means 2.9. So here it is okay. In this way we will finish our detailing for C3 also. So we have finished our column detailing, and here we will provide our note. We have designed our column for 3.5 psi Fy casting ratio. This 1.5, 1 is to 1.5 is to 3. That means cement 1, sand 1.5, and aggregate, coarse aggregate 3. That means if cement is 1 bag, then sand will be 1.5 bag and aggregate will be 3 bag in volume. We will provide stone chips. Column casting, admixture for column casting. Clear cover below ground level 2.5 inch, clear cover above PGM 1.5. This is note, and in our general note we will provide this column detail. So in layout we can arrange this one. This is our general note for detailing, and we will, in next tutorial we will do footing or foundation layout and foundation schedule. Here now come to column layout. We can zoom like this. Can move this tighten, then zoom left side of mouse, press and move in, move out to zoom in, zoom out. Then outside of this layout click. For preparing this sheet using layout is better option. In regular practice we are doing this layout for making or creating sheet. Here this column general note, and here we will arrange our column schedule. Zoom backside to zoom out like this, press ESC and this one delete like this. So in this way we can prepare column layout and column schedule as per our design. So I will share this Excel sheet below the tutorial, and if you like this tutorial please press like button. If you have not subscribed the channel, subscribe it right now and press the bell button to get future notification.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.